language. Set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Collection of objects. Well-defined means there is no doubt, without confusion. The elements of set are called the members or elements. For example, the set of all natural numbers. Representation of a set. A set can be represented in three ways. First one, distributive form. In a distributive form, a set described in words. A set of all whole numbers. Number two, set-filled form or rule form. In a set-filled form, all the elements are described by a rule. For example, the set A, the symbol this and this are called such that. So how to say that? The symbol this one and this one is called the such that. The set A is equal to X such that X is a vowels in English alphabets. Second one, B equal to X such that X is a prime number. Roster form or tabular form. A set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. The set A equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Next exercise 1.1. Which of the following are set? Set means a set is a well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined means there is no doubt, without confusion. Here prime numbers up to 100. We know that the prime number it has been defined. So prime numbers mean it is divisible by 1 and itself. We know that up to 100. Up to 100, how many prime numbers are there? We know that yes, there are 25 prime numbers are there. Here it is a well-defined set. Therefore, it is a set. Second one, the collection of rich people in India. The rich people in India, it has no definition. Therefore, it is not a well-defined. Therefore, it is not a set. Third one, the collection of all rivers in India. So, collection of all rivers in India is well-defined set. We know that, okay. So, like that, Tamarani, Kaveri, Sindhu, Gangai, Yamuna, etc. It can be counted that one. Therefore, it is a well-defined set. Therefore, it is a set. Next, the collection of foot hockey players. Foot hockey players means the talent vary from person to person. Therefore, it is not well defined. Therefore, it is not yet set. List the set of letters of the following words in roster form. One word is that India. So some words are having repeated letters are coming. Here repeated letters I. That is one time only we have to write it. For A, the set A is equal to, that is separate the letters by putting the commas. I, comma, N, comma, D, comma, next letter I. So I is the repeated letter should be avoid. Next letter A. Next one, second one, parallelogram. Parallelogram is the first letter set B is equal to first letter P. Second letter A. Third letter R. Next letter A is a repeated letter, should be avoid. Therefore, next letter L, comma L. Next letter L is a repeated letter, should be avoid. Don't write. Next letter E. Next letter L is a repeated letter. Don't write. So next letter O. Next letter G. Next letter R. Next letter sorry R repeated letter. Don't write it. Next letter A repeated letter. Don't write. Next letter M. Next Mississippi. That set C is equal to M, comma I, comma S. Next letter S repeated. Don't write. Next letter I repeated. Don't write. Next letter S repeated. Don't write. Next letter S repeated. Don't write. Next I repeated. Don't write. Next B repeated one time. That is next letter P repeated. Don't write. Next I repeated. Don't write. Next Czechoslovakia. So the set D is equal to C. Next letter Z. Next letter E. Next letter C repeated. Don't write. Next letter H. Next letter O. Next letter S. Next letter L. Next letter O repeated. Next V. Next letter A. Next letter K. Next letter I. Next A repeated. Don't write. Consider the following set A 0, 3, 5, 8. The set B equal to 2, 4, 6, 10 and C equal to 12, 14, 18, 20. First one, state whether true or false. First one, 18 belongs to C. 18 belongs, that 11 belongs to which set? You have to see belongs to C. The symbol is called as belongs to. This is C. See the set C. 12, 14, 18, 20. This set 18 is given in the set C. Therefore, this statement is true. Next one, 6 belongs to A. So 6 belongs to A. The set A, you have to see 0, 3, 5, 8. So 6 does not belongs to A. Therefore, this statement is false. Third one, 14 belongs to C. The element 14 is given in the set C. See that 12, 14, 18, 20 is given. Therefore, it is true. Next, fourth one, 10 belongs to B. The element 10 is given in the set B. See that 2, 4, 6, 10. Yes, it is given in the set B. Therefore, this statement is true. Next, 5 belongs to B. The element Y is it given in the set B. See that 2, 4, 6, 10. So 5 is not given in the set B. Therefore, it is what? False. Next, 0 belongs to B. Is it given in the set B? See that the set 2, 4, 6, 10. 0 is not given in the set. Therefore, that statement is what? False. Second one, fill in the blanks. 3 belongs to which set? So the element 3 is belongs to which set? We have to see that set A 0, 3, 5, 8. This 3 is given in the set A. Next 14 belongs to which set? So 14 is given in the which set? We have to see that 12, 14, 18, 20. So C 14 is there, therefore it belongs to C. 18 dash B. You say 18 belongs to or does not belongs to B. We have to see that 18 is where we have to see B set 2, 4, 6, 10. It is not given. Therefore, what do you say? Is that does not belongs to B. Next 4 dash B. Is belongs to or does not belongs to. See the set B is a 2, 4, 6, 10. Is a 4 is given. Therefore, what is it? Is that belongs to B. Represent the following sets in roster form. How to write the roster form in listing all the elements are in the given set. Here first one, set A equal to the set of all given natural numbers less than the set A equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Even natural numbers. We know that the even number, all numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Here natural numbers less than 20. How to write the natural numbers? Mean the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. are called the natural numbers. Here what is given? Less than 20. Even natural numbers less than 20. How to write it? That set A is equal to 1. Sorry, even natural numbers means starting the even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. That is next number 19. It is not an even number. So less than 20 up to 18 only. Next one, the set B is equal to y such that y equal to 1 by 2n, n belongs to n less than or equal to 5. N belongs to n means is that n is the natural numbers. N less than or equal to 5. So n equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So less than or equal to the symbol. Therefore 5 is including. For n equal to 1 how to write it? P is equal to, sir, you have to write it 1, sir, 2 into 1. 2 ones are what? 2. Next 2, n equal to 2 2 into 2, 4. Next one, n equal to 3 2 into 3, 6. Next n equal to 4 2 4s are 8. Next n equal to 5 means 2 5s are 10. 1 by 10 over. Next one, C equal to x such that x is the perfect cube. 27 less than x less than 216. Here we know that the cube 1 cube is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1. 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 27. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 64. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. 6 cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 260. The number 27 and 216 in between what are the numbers are there? Is that 4 cube and 5 cube. For 64 and 124. The set C is equal to 64 and 125. Next D, the set D is equal to such that that x belongs to z. Z means what? Integers. -5 less than x less than or equal to 2. In between -5 and 2 is a less than or equal to that. Therefore, the 2 is including. So, what are the numbers are there? -4, -3, -2, -1. Integers means it's a 0, 1. So, less than or equal to that. Therefore, 2. This goes. Represent the following set in filter form. Set filter form. How to write a set filter form? When describe set by a rule. Here descriptive form is there. Descriptive form a set in the words. The set B is equal to the set of all. Here is the cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one-day international. How to write in the set filter form? The set B is equal to x such that here the set of all, the word, remove that word x such that x is then, that is Indian players. Now to write in Indian players. Indian what players? Cricket players. We have to write cricket players who write all these words. Score double centuries in one-day internationals. Okay, next is second one. The set C is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. So how to write in the set filter form? So here all write in the roster form. Here write in the set filter form. C x such that is that here fraction is there in 1 by 2. So the numerator 1, denominator 2. Here 2 by 3, numerator 2, denominator 3. So numerator 3 by 4, numerator 3, denominator 4. This is see the numerator 1, 2, 3, increasing by 1. So how to write it? X such that x equal to is that 1, 2, 3. Is the 1 starting with which number? 1, 2, 3. Is the 1, 2, 3 means what? Natural number. Therefore, n divided by the denominator. You have to see the denominator here 2, 3, 4. So, n plus 1 is equal to, comma, next that is n belongs to what? The natural numbers. You have to substitute 1 is the x equal to, say n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means here x equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 1 by 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is like this. Next the set D equal to the set of all Tamil months in a year. The set of all. Remove that one. We have to write it x such that x is a Tamil months in a year. Next E, the set E equal to the set of all whole numbers less than 9. The set of, remove that one, instead of you have to put it there in the x such that x is an all numbers, all whole numbers less than 9. Okay. Next is sixth one. And the following section descriptive form. Descriptive form now we are going to write in the words. Some the set B is equal to January. In January, first letter J. Next June, the first letter J. Next first July, the first letter July. How to write it? The set of English months starting with a letter J. Second one, set 2 is equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Here 7, we know that the 7 is a prime numbers. So 11 also prime number, to 29 is also a prime number. Prime number now already we know that it is divisible by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Only 2 factors are there. Here 7 is a in between. What are these numbers are in between? What are the numbers? We have to how to write that one. The 7 before that in prime number what is 5. Next 29 after that prime number what is 31. So how to write it? The set of prime numbers in between 5 and 31. Next one, the set R equal to x such that x belongs to n, x less than 5 is a less than 5 only. How to write it? The set of natural numbers less than 5. X equal to x such that x is a consonant in English alphabets. How to write in the descriptive form? There is a set of consonant in English alphabets. Which of the following are set? The collection of all colors in rainbow. Second one, collection of states in our country. Third one, collection of beautiful flowers in a garden. Write the set of letters of the following words in Rosepa. Assessment principle. Next, third one, consider the set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. B equal to 7, 8, 9. That is, you have to fill in the blank. 6 belongs dash A. Second one, 9 dash B. Next, the third one, 3 dash A. And fourth one, dash A. Students, do the homework. Thank you.